Bom dia. Bom dia. Spent ages practicing that on Google Translate. Bom dia. Good morning. I'm in Portugal. Here we have the window. It's very Hitchcock. What's that film? Rear Window? Here we have the hotel room. Look at this lovely red cupboard. Obrigada. No, obrigada. I'm learning a few words in Portuguese. I'm not that good at it. I speak Spanish quite badly, so I can read all the stuff. I found it was in like one of those English TV dramas where the acting's really... I'll just say that. But it's got Portuguese subtitles. And there's a lot of Portuguese TV, obviously. Look at it, it's so sunny and light. Here's me in the mirror. Hello, how bizarre. And then we've got this bathroom. Oh, yeah, you don't really need to see a toilet, do you? First things first, I should tell you. So, I'm here. We're going to do a first day with the protagonist, performer. Basically, they're going to record the headphone part, and I think we're going to test out the electronics and see if it works. Oh, I met Kate, drag queen too, in the opera. We met on the plane, and then we came to the hotel together. She's the one with the deep jazz voice that I mentioned. Cabaret, I think it is actually. I was reading about it the other night, and I think it's cabaret, but it sounds very jazzy. So she'll be working with us in the Gulbenkian today. We're focusing on the protagonist and I think the technology aspect of the opera. Hello, it's 10:22 at night. I need to update you on today. So today was Monday, the first day, and it was very long. We worked with the main protagonist of this opera scene, and they sang the headphone part of the score, and we recorded it, and then we created something that is played through headphones that the audience has an option of listening to, so it adds an extra layer of music over the top. And we recorded all those bits. I'm conducting it, so I was conducting the score, but I have to learn how to use like this like a clicker pen thing. So I press a button and a different thing plays that we recorded, and this will be fed through headphones that the audience has a choice of hearing if they want, and it adds an extra harmony to the music. There's going to be more music performed on the stage. Anyway, so that took all day, and then we also practiced a bit with the two drag queens and their parts. Things I've learned today. The audio recorded bit has to be very rhythmically precise, and it's very difficult to do that. I don't know why. It's just not recorded rhythmically accurately, so it slightly shifts gradually, but only like imperceptibly. It's like it's got inbuilt rubato. There's something. We don't have a lot of time to fix it. We've only got 4 days to do the whole thing, so the pianist is amazing, and he said if he just has the headphones and he can listen to it, he can help catch up and keep in time with it. We had to add a bar because we recorded something. Because we recorded it separately, the singer took the last note longer or something, I can't remember, because we recorded it separately. It didn't move on to the next phrase. Anyway, we just added 2 more beats to that bar. I originally had like a hemiola in there. There was a triplet minim against 4 crotchets, which gives this uneasy sort of struggled feeling, but we just changed it to 6/4, so it kind of, that struggle isn't there anymore. I don't think it matters that much. There's a pulse changes and that's enough. I don't think at this stage it really makes a difference whether it's in 6/4 or there's that hemiola present, because I don't think we're going to get it rhythmically precise anyway at this stage. We We had to change some phrasing slightly. It was more a case of articulation and getting the drama out of the music for the protagonist's vocal line that's in the headphones. There's this line that goes, "You don't have the right, fuck you." But because the word right and the F word are next to each other, George thought it maybe sounded like "you don't have the right." I don't think it sounds like that. We altered the last note of that phrase to be slightly short, so really emphasise the staccato in it. So it's like a semiquaver now. And then the next note is just longer accented, almost a crotchet, and there is a difference in that phrase. You can hear the two phrases in that, so it's "you don't have the right, fuck you," instead of "you don't have the right, you." Just phrasing. Yeah, that's all we did really. And then we worked on getting the angst and the drama out in that headphone bit. I'm not entirely sure that the correct recording was put into the backing, which is a bit complicated because I don't know how to find it, but what's being done is very good. So that's what we did in day one. I'm conducting. I did do a bit of studying of conducting at university, but I've not professionally conducted people. I mean, I can keep to time, I can physically conduct the beats, but you have to have this energy and a presence as a conductor, something extra. It's not just a case of conducting beats, you've something more, and you've got to command the room, and I don't really like that much attention on me. That's the bed. I'm going to sleep in it. I've got my opera in my head.